In this video, I'm going to show you turn off passcode lock on Telegram. So let's get started. First, grab your phone, then open the Telegram application. After the app is open, tap on the settings option at the very bottom. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, look for the privacy and security, click on them. After this page, scroll down, look for the passcode lock option, tap on it. Then verify to enter your passcode lock. After you enter the passcode lock, open the next screen. Here you can see various options. If you want to turn off this passcode lock on Telegram, simply look at the very bottom, find the turn passcode off. Tap on it, then tap on turn off button again. And you have successfully turned off passcode lock on your Telegram. To check it work, simply close the app, reopen it, and this time no longer appear the passcode lock there. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, also subscribe.